Hello all, welcome back to IAS in-depth classes. Do you know where is the hottest place on earth located? It is in North America. Look at your screen. To the east of Pacific Ocean, in the northern part of Pacific Ocean, to the east of Pacific Ocean, you will be able to see the continent of North America. And to the west of USA, in North America, there are three nations. The first one is Canada, second one USA, and third one Mexico. And to the western side of USA, these states California, Nevada, and Arizona. These states are very dry states because of the presence of California ocean current and also because of the presence of the tropical region 30-degree latitude, right? So because of tropics and descending air and divergence of air as well as the presence of cold ocean current, this region is a desert region. And if you zoom in, you will be able to see a place called Death Valley National Park. If you zoom in again, you will be able to see Furnace Creek, right? So this is to the east of the state of California. Here is California, Death Valley National Park, and Furnace Creek. Okay, so Furnace Creek is the world's most hottest place, right? And the recorded temperature here is the highest recorded temperature here is 56.7 degrees Celsius, right? This is the highest recorded temperature in the world. I hope you understood. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.